How's it guys? Ishi here from Blades and Triggers. So when I'm choosing something for myself, shopping, either groceries or a new knife, I look for quality, service and price. Recently we took up a new brand called QSP, and that's exactly what they stand for. Today we're going to have a look at the Parrot from QSP. Alright guys, let's get into the unboxing of the QSP Parrot. As you can see, it's a lovely black and gold box. So it's a black box, nothing very fancy or stylish, very simple. As the name says here, it's a better knives, better life. As I mentioned before, QSP is standing for quality, service and price. So we're going to have a look at, this is the budget side of their range. So let's have a look. Very simple box, just basically opens up as any other box would. It's got some foam inserts. Got a bit of foam insert here. It's got a little information booklet. We'll get to that just now. And then the knife comes in a little plastic sleeve with again the logo on it. So let's have a little breakdown of what we have here. So on the card itself, it will tell you what knife you bought, but it's generic. So if you buy the Parrot, this will come whether you have the Micarta handles, whether you have the G10 handles. It's just the model itself. So it will give you a breakdown of the length of the blade, the handle material. At the bottom, it actually gives you a little option there for it to be ticked off whether it's Micarta or the G10. It gives you a breakdown of what line is on the inside. It's a nice little information card that's here. Also says here, nice little thank you from the company. It says thank you for choosing QSP knives. It says at the top it says greetings, thank you for choosing QSP knives. We hope you enjoy it, and I'm sure we will enjoy it. We'll get into the into further description of the knife and a review of the knife a little bit later. And then at the back as well, it has here a little QR code there that you can scan and go to their website, and all the details are on here. So it has a website, it has their email address and everything that you need. Quality, service, price. We have in front of us the QSP Parrot. Having a look at it, you can see that it has the Denim Micarta handles. Denim, that would be the exact same material as the jeans you are probably wearing now. It will wear, not so much that it would crack and come apart, but it would almost patina, I would say, and give it a good rustic feel to it. You could probably, if you really wanted to, take a marker and add some color and different aspects to this if you wanted to. But as it is here, it's a lovely design knife, and good strong material gives you some good grip on here as well. Looking at the design and the makeup of the knife, I really like the handle. It gives you a nice good solid grip on here. Something also nice and light that you would basically EDC, perfectly built for the everyday use. Looking at the makeup of the knife, you can see it has stainless steel liners here. Nothing fancy, a standard pocket clip, not a deep pocket carry pocket clip, just a normal pocket clip that it can be moved ambidextrously from this side to the other side. With the thumb studs on either side of it, it is ambidextrous opening, so you can make it for left hand or right hand carry. Can fit in your right pocket or your left pocket with the aid of these holes on either side. Also, it does have a lanyard hold, so you could put a lanyard bead inside here if you wanted to. Right, let's open up the knife and have a look at the blade. That's a nice smooth sound to it with the thumb studs on either side. On the inside here, this actually runs on washers. Looking at the blade profile, it has a nice belly to it, and this is a standard drop point blade, so perfect for everyday use. The steel on this blade is D2 tool steel, so some strong steel on here, perfect for everyday carry. All around, the value on this knife is very good, so it is a good quality knife. Looking at the liner there, you see it has the liner lock, so again you can tell that it's not high end, but very well made for the price point of this knife. So if you're looking for an EDC blade, I would say this would tick the boxes of what you're looking for. And there you have it, the perfect EDC well-priced Parrot from QSP. As always, if you like what you see, shop online at bntonline.co.za or pop in to one of our 12 stores nationwide. Click on the notification icon somewhere above to keep in touch. Don't forget to register for our BNT Elite program.